After nearly 2 decades as the champion of the mid-size pickup truck market, the Toyota Tacoma is ready for its next chapter. This go-anywhere truck is entirely new for 2024 with epic adventures in mind, improving upon every winning aspect that has made it a stalwart for truck buyers for years, along with Toyota's legendary quality, durability, and reliability, and much more. Redesigned from the ground up and built upon the TNGA-F global truck platform shared with Tundra and Sequoia, the all-new Tacoma was designed and engineered for the US market. For its fourth generation, Tacoma utilizes a new high-strength boxed steel ladder frame, adds numerous features that off-road enthusiasts can play with, features an available fully redesigned multi-link coil rear suspension that improves ride and handling. If you followed the introduction of the redesigned Toyota Tundra in 2022, the Tacoma will look familiar. That's because Toyota uses the design elements from the Tundra in the Tacoma. The wider front grille, the heritage Toyota badge, the Tacoma name stamped into the rear liftgate like the Tundra, the Tacoma has the same liftgate function. Push a button embedded in either of the tail lights under the liftgate handle to open or close the gate, which is electronic. And the bumper has a textured rubberized cover to give you traction for climbing up into the bed. Toyota has also made some enhancements to the interior for 2024. An 8-inch infotainment system is the base unit, but buyers that move to higher trims will be greeted with a larger 14-inch display that's paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. A smaller 7-inch cluster is standard. Both systems benefit from the same software suite that debuted on the larger Tundra, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both being standard. Key wireless phone charging is also standard too. The rest of the cabin is largely familiar to Tundra owners, with the Tacoma taking some of its cues from its bigger corporate stablemate, with chunky design cues and large switchgear being the dominating themes here. Trim level choice will also play a role in what passengers get on their slice of the dashboard. TRD Pro and Trailhunter models get the aforementioned Toyota script, while the luxury-focused models add a slice of Foxwood trim to the Tacoma moniker. This also plays a broader effort by Toyota to not only spruce up with the cabin but also make it look more premium and upscale to buyers. The new Tacoma offers just one engine option, and that is a 2.4-liter turbo. However, due to different configurations, that single engine produces different amounts of power. Base models will get a 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque. Mid-level power increases to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet, while the top-of-the-line hybrid vehicles will offer 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Depending on the trim level, these engines are paired to a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic.